on economic event dates, a lot of times there are high probability trading opportunities. So when it happens, you want to be part of it and make money. Here is an example. You can see that before the event, the market goes very slowly. It's not going anywhere. On the event, there's a sudden breakout to the downside. So when this happens, you know that you should always be in short. So trade downside all the time. Only when you see there's a huge upside reverse, then stop trading short. Also, in the event breakout, you not only want to trade scalping, but also swing your trade to make more profit, because normally there will be a second leg and a third leg for more profit. So how to trade this chart? When you see the breakout, you wait for the pullback. You can put your order under this bull bar pullback, or you can put your order under this bear bar pullback. Though later on, it didn't go down directly. Instead, it has another pullback here. So as an experienced trader, you can re-enter the market when you see this bear bar, or even you put your order below this bull bar. So to make more profit and then add up to your position. However, after a few bars here, you see the market doesn't go anywhere. It seems that the market strength has been reduced. However, it didn't go up as well. So still, you're always in short. Hold your position, but keep your stop loss in position as well. When the market goes to the downside to your way, you want to take profit or part of the profit to make sure you have something in your pocket today. And at the same time, when you see the market swings down with different pullbacks here, then you want to move your position to the break even to ensure that you don't lose for the day. That's very important. So how far can the market go? So a very good measurement is to use the measured move. You measure from the top of the breakout bar to the bottom of the breakout bar. So this is the market movement. And then you do the same thing, but measure at the top of the pullback here and the same distance here. And then you can see the market goes down to the measure move here, and some traders are taking profit, and then the market goes up.